key into it, TPH, that's teacher portal, TPH, teacher portal Ghana, dot GOV, that's .gov or .gov.gh. Then you search. I didn't realize this here. .ntc, .gov.gh, .ntc. Okay, so tpg.ntc.gov.gh. That is the site. It is lowercase, you don't use uppercase at all. Internet, you don't use lowercase most often. With internet. What's the address again? Okay, I'm going to post the address again. TPG. Then you bring dot. NTC, another dot. GOV, another dot. Then GH. Then you search. If you are doing it and then it comes, you see teacher portal Ghana, the first one, click on it. The first one I want, just click on that one. My face just opens, fine. You see an interface with the background green. If you have not registered, then you click on register. I'm talking about those who don't have the license. And you click on register now. It will take you to your email. That is where you continue with the registration. That's how the process is. And if you have registered, then you look at the service providers so that in case they are organizing the program, you'll be able to attend. Aside that one, you should verify your license, the one that you have been given. So you go to, if I can remember, say license verification, so down there with the black background. When you finish with the verification, then you come back to the home page with a green background. Then at the top, you see news, you see FA, Q something, and the last one, log in. When you log in, they will give you a lot of diagnosis. Log in as a teacher, log in as an organization, log in, then you click on teacher log in. When you click on the teacher log in, then you enter the password that you use to register, and then either your phone number or your email. It will open. When it opens, that is your portal. You go to the home page, you know the number of points that you need to get before you can move on from one place to the another. So far, so good. Okay. This slide is for those who have not registered. So let's go through, and then please, if you have any problem with this, what we are doing is the most important thing. Yes, you need to know the portal, how you are going to. Then, as I said, if you have all the documents that you believe it will earn you a point, we have what we call portfolio agents. They are also at NTC. They will now verify. When they verify, and to them, based on the standard that they have been given, they will know that, oh, in reality, this is what we want. Then they will upload the information onto your portfolio. Then they will send the information to those as a we who who gives the mark, they will give you the mark. That's how it is. So when we finish, we'll collect all your receipts by, today is what? Friday. By Monday, when you go back to your portal, you see your points being put there. That's it.
It's the ones that we are going to record in the logbooks. How do we get those ones?
That one is not free. Somebody will come and then sell it at the price of 50 cedis. Then all the, oh, don't worry, all the trainings that you have attended, those who organize, you take it to them, you write the name of the training, those who organize, and then somebody will sign. We call it logbook. So when you do the logbook too, when the portfolio agents, when they come around, they also look into it, they will also give them points. So that's how it is. We have 3 years to do all this. But you have 80 points to go, and now you have 8, which means that we have a long way to go. So please, let's all build ourselves. Okay, so with the National Teaching Council, as we all said, it's an agency that is mandated by the Education Act 2008. And as I said, their mandate is to regulate everything about the professional teacher. With the issue of development, academic development, and also issuance of licenses to all professional teachers. What we are saying is that before somebody can become a professional, in those days, when we were conducting the, what we call, interview before you'll be upgraded. One of the questions that the panelists would often ask is, do you consider the teaching profession or teaching as a profession? And most of the time we say yes. Then they say, okay, give us why. One, you belong to an association, not undergrad. 2, we have been trained for some time as a particular period. We have registration number. We have staff number. Then they tell them, no, the staff number, all organizations have staff numbers. And they will sit there and they say, okay, we are being paid. Then they'll give you 1 point out of 3. Then you go away. It came to a time that we are saying that we are semi-professionals. That is what the policy is saying, it's not me. So it has come to the time that we need to be given a license. So with that license, that is where NTC came in. So we have 2 categories of teachers. So we have those who are at the training colleges and the teachers who are also working or teaching the classroom. So they give a particular year. This is from 2013 or 2014 downwards. They are the people that are going to go and write the license, so examples. But those that completed from 1960 that day. As for us, the only thing that we have to do is that you have to pay 100 Ghana cedis, and then you go to the internet, then you go and register for the license, which I believe all of us here have done that. So we are the A-service teachers. Okay, so these are the requirements, those who have not registered. So these are all teachers in the district will fill the form at the school, which we have done. Now those who have done it, please do say, then you sign a form and submit all the names to NTC. Then after that, these are the requirements for the teacher registration. 1, you need an active email. Those who have not registered, it's going to you. Then you need your SNET number. Then you have to scan your passport picture and then you upload the information onto the registration form. And then these are the documents that you have to attach. Your teacher says A, exam diploma, you say BA, MA, MPhil, PhD. These these are all the documents that you have to scan, and then your appointment letter. And they are giving us a format that we need to use. We have the PDF, you can use it, the PNG, and the normal JPE, the normal photo thing that we have. When you go to when you're using any computer, that's the normal thing, the traditional one that we are using. You have to put this in that form. We don't use anything hard. All should be scanned, and then you upload them onto the registration form. Yes. Okay, so if you have seen what I gave you, that's what we have there. The link or the address is there. The normal part is the HTTPS. Every time that you are opening any link, that's the first that you will do it. Then after that, you have your tpg.ntc.gov, then you follow suit. You click on register, and you do your registration. As I said, the whole thing will be taken to your email address. When you click on the register, you start. It will be taken to your email address, and from the email address, you continue with the registration. Okay, so let's look at this one too. So, so that you will be required to meet the NTC team at the, I know how you do it. Some of you went to the office to register. Then they took your photograph and they gave your card to you. Others, they also did a plaster form, either school plaster or semi-plaster. And then you go through the biometric process and pick their lances. And we'll sign the lances located for the start planning for the renewal. And the lances will be expired in 3 years. Let's take note. And before you can renew it, you have to know your portal, and after that, they will say, yes, you qualify still to work with us. So this is an example of the lances card that we were given. So what's next? What's next? The teacher license will be valid for 3 years, within which the teacher should work towards the renewal. He said that the teacher should work towards the renewal. It is not the prerogative of NTC to automatically renew us. You have to get your point, and the point will give you that. And after receiving the license, the chairperson then 3 domains in the teacher standard. So we look at the professional value and attitude. Then professional knowledge, this is what we are doing. What we are doing is professional knowledge and then professional practice. What you do in the classroom, I've already told you that you can let somebody take a video documentary of a special lesson that you are delivering. Maybe that time you use all the TLMs in the world. So you want them to see that yes, you are a good teacher. They can also give you a point. Then the values and the attitude. That one will come from your hands and then the directors. We also have hands in your license to pay. So these are the 3 categories for the 3 thematical areas that they are looking at before they will get your license.